What's up, y'all? Happy Thursday. Today is December the 4th. We are out here in Villa Rica, Georgia. It's a little bit past Douglasville. So anyway, this is my new client, Dean. He actually found me online, watched a lot of my videos. He has an engineered floor with some wax he said he put on a few times. And he said it's sticky, okay? And the floors, he could just tell he did something wrong. So he did some research, found my company, gave me a call, sent me pictures. I gave him a price. He said, let's do it. So we're out here today. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going. All right, guys, so this is Villa Rica, Georgia, towards the east side of Georgia, going towards Alabama. Well, you go to Alabama a few ways. So we're going to be doing, let me show you what we're going to be doing. It's a small project, by the way. Alrighty, hold on, guys. I'll take my glasses off. All right, it's a small project. Probably take us maybe an hour, hour and a half. All right, so we got these areas right here. And actually one of my contractors that know me from social media just called me, and they gave a client my information because they have an engineered floor, but it's too thin to be sanded. So they told him to call me for screen and recoating. So guys, Dean actually did see what he took it off himself. So you can see the outline. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna be doing this foyer area. We're also going to be doing this kitchen around these countertops. And then this area right here. You turn it on? Yeah. Okay. All right. And that's it, guys. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Come back and show you some results.
Saw the videos glow, engineered flows looking tired, but we brought back the soul. Wax spools were on the surface, but we lifted with ease. 45 minutes in the game, now the wood's looking free. Countertops looking cloudy, but we came with the skill. Clean buff, polished seal, now that granite looking real. Truman in the building, man, you know how we do. Every job another win, another dream coming true. Villa Rica shine, Truman came through with that finish divine. Floors revive, countertops glowing in time. Yeah, the magic's in the grind. Truman do it right every time. Oh, Villa Rica shine, engineered floors look brand new in the light. Countertops gleam, their reflection so bright. Truman brought them back to life. Ooh, Truman brought them back to life. With intention, left the home renewed. Clients sending pictures saying, Courtney, I knew you were the one. From the presence online, from the website to the channel, everything's so fine. Japanese strings in the back while we glide. R&B rhythm with the Truman pride. Another day, another transformation on site. Floor to countertop, everything tight. Truman came through with that finish divine. Floors revive, countertops glowing in time. Yeah, the magic's in the grind. Yeah. Truman do it right every time. Villa Rica shine, engineered floors look brand new in the light. Countertops gleam, that reflection so bright. Truman brought them back to life.
Look at the floors now. Mr. Dean's floors are wax free. Now this is why I say, guys, this is an engineered floor, so this floor already has a finish on it. I'm going to probably put this in the semi-gloss level. You can really see the light reflection now. So when we get that wax off and we post clean it, you can really see the factory finish on the floors. And this floor looks amazing. We also did the Corian countertops. which also came out great. This area right here gets a lot of use because of the sink and the dishwasher. It was really faded out. Look at that sheen now. And Mr. Dean, yes, I'm not gonna get you on camera, but what you think about the services today?
Excellent service. I highly recommend these gentlemen take care of your home.
Thank you so much. So Dean, again, he found me online. He actually watched some of my videos. I never came out to do a consultation. He gave me the measurements, sent me pictures. I gave him a price. He said, let's do it. And here we are, guys. All right, guys. Well, we're actually about to go look at a floor in Douglasville. So they kind of was perfect. And it's the same thing. He has the engineered floor, a lot of scuff marks, probably got wax on it. And we're going to take care of that for him as well. Well, we're going to do the consultation and then hopefully take care of it for him. So again, everything came out great. Thanks again for watching. Did that for you. Look at that, all that. Remember the little test spot he had? All right. So there was all wax on the floor. All right, guys, that's going to do it. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.